Oh, they love your shoes right now. There we go. There we go. Now they
Oh yeah, I can see the colors much better.
Can you
at
see
this
him
video.
now?
Yeah.
There we go. Here.
Who's that one?
This is the little girl with the gray. And there's Clark. He's got
So we got one curly tail like the mama. That's the little girl.
Let me get this other.
Yeah. She's kind of birdie too, huh?
Yes, she is.
Mhm.
She's gonna take it on.
There we go.
Spitfire. Come on, hi, come here. Come here. Come here. You gonna go outside? Come on, here. Listen to me. Here. Yeah, they're figuring out that doggy door though.
That's why we put them in a bag so they won't shake bird to death.
Here.
They're like kids, but they're just grabbing a hold of the black bag.
Come on, here. Are you just gonna sit and listen to me? Come on, let's go. Well, that's
Is that a boy?
it is a boy. This is the dark, Denver. He's the dark
No, I
blue.
mean a black one. I can't tell whether they're boys or girls.
That's the Boone.
Oh.
So that's the gray boy.
So
This
he's,
is the gray girl.
oh, it's two gray. That's why it's confusing. But the
Well,
gray
they
girl's got a
were-
curly tail.
Right.
Okay.
It was white and now it's gray. So now there's two grays.
And there's the other boy.
Yeah.
Clark.
Yes.
He's trying to go. So this is like 5-6 minutes into it. Their
Now they're
first live
excited.
bird,
Oh,
and
poor
so
bird. Here, let me save it.
you know they're just getting the black bag.
Here we go. Here we go. Let me get you interested. That's Denver. Denver's excited. Oh, there's Aurora. Here we go.
So
Now they're interested in your shoes.
yeah, I see. Come on, get over there.
Here, you're just playing.
You're supposed to be
You know.
birding here.
You're just playing. This is a brown collar. I think he's been over there chasing my shoes. He just wants to play. Oh, what are we doing over here? Oh, here we go.
It's kind of unfair for the poor birdie. Good thing we got some shoes they're interested in.
Oh, I just shake my pants. My pants probably smell like the birds too. Here we go. Here we go. Here. There you go. Good job. Here. Whew. We're back in the sunshine again. Sorry. There we
Yeah.
go. There we go. How's that? How's that?
Well, this is an excellent first exposure, I
There we
think.
go. He's following my pants.
Oh no.
Come on. Oh, they found the pine cone earlier today too that was
Oh,
left in
yeah.
here. They love the pine cone. Oh, and they find each other. Okay. I think the bird's getting poached.
Yeah, the poor guy wanted to see just the black males, but yeah, now it's kind of. But both of them's on. I'll send a couple videos, and there, that guy's pointing. Who's that one?
I think that's a little girl.
Okay.
She's happy.
Yeah, you do little flash points at this stage. You know, who knows what
Find each
they'll
other's
point, and
tail.
they'll stop and point each other. Like, see what that one's gonna do.
They do this
He
little
was
fancy-
working on doing a little sneak and stuff. Then he stopped.
They're just funny.
It's hard to catch them pointing out here because you can't have your eyes on everybody with the camera on all the time.
Oh, what you think?
Here, put your bird down. Yeah, take it off me. You're trying to eat me.
And he has a feather. They've been getting kind of rough at each other.
Yeah, well, this shows you know, he's trying to be a little, he's not trying to be dominant, but he's trying to dominate that one
There you go.
for the moment.
Oh, you got a feather. You have a feather in your mouth. That's
The
what you
one
want.
dominates you back.
There you go. So that's the black collar. I don't think he'd been
And
on
there's the
that.
two gray.
We're going to have to get this box. That seems to be a favorite
Mhm.
for some reason. For some reason, my sink is.
All right, let's see if anybody will follow the birdie here. Ready? Nobody saw it. See? Ready? There we go. They saw it that time. All right, I'm gonna call that good.